Hello, this is Jason, and I am in the Silom area. I'm staying at a hostel that is right down there, down that alley. And Silom MRT's over there. I think Saladang BTS stop over here. So let's go do a little exploration. It's a White Rabbit, like a hop-on bar. And some wacky tobacco shops, money exchange. There's definitely a lot of food options and street food options. But there is one thing about this area that I was not aware of. Some people are going to be like, sure. But this area is like the main LGBTQ area. So I was walking around earlier and there's like a lot of massage shops and it's like all dudes. They cater to men-on-men massage action. Then there's this thing walking street, which that is a Japanese karaoke, like KTV type places where you go in like a karaoke room. That's the street down there. Which I came here last year to check it out. Went through this Don Don Donkey. They play that same song over and over. I don't know how people there don't go crazy. But there is a lot to do in this area and a lot to eat. Yeah, over here, it's like a multi-level Park Silom. They have like Dairy Queen in the basement there. There's a bunch of restaurants. There's drinks and a lot of place to eat in there. And here's the McDonald's. So you can get your Western fix. Sawadee Kap, Ronald. Kun Ronald. Alright, so this is the street. It's like the gay soy cowboy from I've seen. The Boy Show, Pride Restaurant, The Atom. So it's all super gay. But they do have a Sunrise Taco and Grill. So they got one of these on Sukhumvit. Prices look to be about the same, which is pretty pricey for tacos. And then down here we have the Pat Pong night market. Oh man. 50 gorgeous girls and a few ugly ones. I guess there's a girly bar down there.
Ping pong show now.
Ping pong show? No, thank you. If you don't know what a ping pong show is, you don't want to know. It's not ping pong. The game. I guess it is kind of a game. Played by one player. Alright, so here's the Pat Pong night market. This is another place worth doing a little walk through. We gotta double check prices. So I've seen like one price for something, and then you walk 5 feet and it's like half the price. So the other side's got like food and stuff. Mango, roti. Yeah, these are a little bit more expensive. It's a little bit more of a touristy market. Just walk up a couple streets, and on the side of the road, they got the same products for half the price. But I guess paying for the atmosphere here. Bum 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 bum. And we got the crowded roadblock. Sorry. Get out from the middle. Shoes, glasses. It's nothing like the Ratched weekend market. But still get some stuff here. Some cool stuff. Wallets. People packing it up. It's 11:21 p.m. Big jeans, not my love. So, this gives a little idea of what the Silom area is like. Pat Pong. Let's see, here's like the street vendors too on the sidewalk. Very cool. Here's a shenanigans bar. All right. Well, I just wanted to give you a quick walk around the area and show you what Silom's like. Hopefully this gave you an idea, so you want to come explore it yourself. And that's all I got for now, so thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even